The Touratech Aventuro Carbon helmet can be used in 3 different riding modes. You have the adventure mode, which is with the peak and the visor installed. You have a street mode, which is with the visor installed but the peak removed. And you have an off-road mode, which is with the visor removed and the peak installed. I'll show you how to change the helmet in between all 3 of these modes. I'm going to show you how to remove the peak and how to remove the visor, and that's how you change in between modes. You can do all this without using any tools. The first step is to flip up these attachments on the side and then pull them out gently like that. And then at the top of the helmet, you can remove the screw that holds the beak on. Peak is now off, and you use these side covers that come in the hardware kit. They snap in place like that at the side of the visor, and they're held in place with the same attachments. Remember to put the screw back in the top of the helmet. And this helmet is now in street mode. It has the visor installed. You can use it. It does not have the peak on. To put this helmet into dirt mode, what you do is you remove the screw at the top of the helmet, set it aside, flip up those 2 mounting latches, pull them out, remove these side plates like this, and then flip the visor all the way open. And once it's all the way open, you can depress the little tab that holds the visor on, and the visor comes off. You can take the peak, put it back in place, use the screw at the top, just install it loosely to hold the peak in place. And then use those same mounting latches on the sides. And then tighten the screw at the top. This helmet is now in off-road mode. You can go one step further and actually remove the chin vent here by pushing in at the top and then pulling up on the bottom. And you can replace the street vent with this off-road vent, just like that. That allows the air to pass straight through into the rider's mouth rather than being redirected up to clear fog out of the visor. So this helmet's now in off-road mode. To go back to adventure mode, we have to put the visor and the peak on. So first thing you have to do is remove the peak by flipping up the 2 side latches, removing the screw at the top, and we can change out the mouthpiece. Take the visor, put it back in the full open position, line up the tab on the top, clip it in, and then close the visor, and take the peak, put it back on top, loosely install the screw at the top of the helmet, and then use the side latches and then remember to tighten the screw up at the top of the helmet. So this helmet is back into adventure mode, has the peak installed, has the visor installed, ready to ride.